If you're planning for the Match 2027, this video is your complete roadmap. From June preparation to NRMP registration to rank order list deadlines to SOAP and match day. I'll break down everything step by step, especially for IMGs. Missing even one deadline can cost you a whole year. So, watch till the end. Phase 1. Preparation period. June 1st to September 23rd. This is your foundation phase. What you should be doing, build your program target list. Based on USMLE scores, visa status, and IMG friendliness. Work on ERA, CV, and personal statement. Secure letters of recommendation, USCE. Engage in research, publications, or meta-analysis.
Don't apply blindly. Apply strategically, not emotionally. Phase 2, NRMP registration. September 15th, NRMP registration opens.
Create your account on the National Resident Matching Program. Pay your registration fee early. It's cheaper that way. Phase 3, rank order list. February 1st, RL opens. March 3rd, final deadline. Critical. This is the most important decision phase. Rank programs based on true preference, not probability. Don't try to game the system. The algorithm already favors applicants. For IMGs, make sure your ECFMG certification is verified before March 3rd. Missing this equals automatic disqualification. Phase 4, match week. March 15th, Monday. Match status released, matched or unmatched. SOAP begins. Access unfilled programs list. If unmatched, do not panic. This is where strategy matters. SOAP strategy. SOAP equals supplemental offer and acceptance program. Prepare new personal statement quickly. Apply to unfilled programs smartly. Be available for rapid interviews. Programs prefer candidates who respond fast. March 16th, Tuesday. Programs review applications. Interviews begin. Keep your phone on. Emails checked every hour. March 18th, Thursday. Offer rounds. Round 1, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Round 2, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Round 3, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Round 4, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. You have very limited time to accept offers. Missing response equals lost opportunity. Final unfilled programs list released. Now you can directly contact programs. This is your last chance before the cycle closes. Final phase match day. March 19th, Friday. Final results released. You officially become a resident physician. This is the moment every IMG dreams of. Apply broadly, 150 to 250 programs depending on your profile. Focus on IMG-friendly specialties, internal medicine, family medicine, pediatrics. Have backup plans, research fellowships, and SOAP strategy. Strong networking and mentorship matters. Don't ignore post-interview communication. The match is not just about scores, it's about strategy, timing, and consistency. If you want full guidance on ERA CV, personal statement, program selection, interview prep, check the official NRMP calendar here and start preparing today. Follow for more content on USMLE, Residency Match, research for IMGs.